Hello guys, good morning. I will teach you how to fillet the salmon Japanese technique in a good way. Already I sukibiki this. If you see, you don't have scale anymore. It's very clean already. I do sukibiki technique. This technique is good for, especially in the piece for sushi bar. So you're not broken the meat. You use your knife, sharp knife, and then you slowly remove the scale. I will teach you in the next video. Now my video tutorial now is Japanese technique to fillet the fish in the proper way. So always clean your fish and let it dry. No? And always clean your station. It will clean. And then your fish must be dry. Remove everything excess blood or something dirty inside of your fish here. Yeah. And then your knife must be sharp. This is Chef Jawad, Chef Butcher, number 1, Chef Morocco. Chef from Mazzini. La 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 la. No. It's me to this one. It's Al Jadida. Al Jadida Swain. Bogo less sweet. Wala diya. Bogo less sweet. Mul. Bogo. Yeah. You can start here in this part of the tail, or you can start from the part of the head here. It's depend to you. How you comfortable. Some chef try to direct haircut. No problem this one. It's depend to you, because after you cut like European style, you can remove the scrape the meat for the leftover meat on the bones. You understand? But for me, I teach you how to proper fillet the fish. So from here, your knife angle is like 45 degree. If you see the line here, you just put your knife 45 degree and here. Your knife must be sharp. I have Yanagiba knife. You can use also this one, but Deba knife also. You can use this Deba knife, no problem. But I prefer I use general knife. But if I remove the head, I use the Deba knife, and then I chop the bones, use Deba knife. But I use for me I use this knife, Gyuto. So now I cut the fish now. You can cut like this or you can cut like this. Depend to you how you comfortable. So for me, I take a little bit slowly line. Just take a line, something like this. So you will see the bones, and then just let the knife work, and then you always try to work this part of your knife, the tips, so you feel the bones. So slowly again until you feel the bones. Always remember guys, always clean work. Don't work mess. A lot of chef working mess, all there, and then it's not good. Just clean your salmon first, chopping board your knife, and then you fillet your salmon clean, nice. Samash, understand? Merci beaucoup. I start. Take your time. Don't be arrogant to cut your fish. I'm very fast. No, if you slowly, just take time. Perfection. You understand? No need to become arrogant in the cooking. This different era, this one. Let them arrogant, but for you, be always humble in the kitchen. Always take the good attitude, good mentality. That's it. Listen to your chef always. They teach you good. Take also always the positive things. Negative things out. Again, same things here in the part of your belly here. Same. 45 degree, the angle of the knife, cut. And feel the bones. And then you put your knife inside, cut, and then Nice and beautiful. And this part, you scratch this one. In Japanese, in Japanese authentic, we use a lot of trimmings, you know, we not waste. But now, restaurant now is high end, you know, fusion. So they eat. For me, I always use this one in the tartar or inside in the maki or toppings on the maki or tacos also. You can use this one. It's great. And the bones also, you can use the bones. These bones, you do oven, let very crispy, and then make it powder. You see? And then if you make it powder, you can make garnish this. And that's it. You see? It's clean. No waste. Always remember, if you're working in restaurant, think like an owner. Don't waste a lot. Always take care of the food cost, take care of the wastages. Help the owner, help everybody. Help your chef to control the food cost, to make the food cost is down, low. No need, my salary is small, you don't care anymore. If you don't care anymore, get out in the kitchen, find another job. In kitchen, you need to love what you do. Respect everybody. Understand? For me, I have one rule. You not respect me, I not respect you. If like this, I will not talk to you anymore. That's it. Especially in the service. They have too much drama. Same. Here, in this side, you just put your cut here in the bones, direct. And that's it. Put citro, chef, you want? Citro. Citro zwing. Good? It tastes? Citro here. Put citro there, cut, and put like this. Yeah, after you put cement here. After you have oil there, put oil. Oil there, oil fry, which, oh, you see? And then these things, I scrape again. Same method. And that's the end of the tutorial. Easy. Always take your time. Don't be hurry. Yeah, again, always take your time. Don't be hurry. Be perfectionist. Every single thing. And then after, you'll become a good chef. Knife skills important in the kitchen. Knife skills. And then, of course, behavior. And that's it, guys. If you want to remove more, remove. This is for my cat. And then here is easy already. Some chef is difficult to cut here because it's too long, you know. It's too long. What you do, take your finger, 4 and 8, cut in the middle, cut. And then from here, it's easy to cut here. So, you remove this part, easy for you, easy for all the chef. Always remember, guys, practice means perfect. Don't be shy. Don't be nervous. It's part of the training, you know. Always be humble. Don't be arrogant. And after you learn, teach another. That's it. be a teacher. And that's it, guys. It's finished. And then for me, this one after I finish all same like this, I put the salt to release to confirm the meat to not more smelly. And if you put in the fridge, if you how can I say, the process, it's not too much water because he released all the water already, absorb the salt. And I think that's it. It's a Japanese technique. Almost the fish, I do this one. And it lasts longer your fish, not fishy. And then after this one, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it depends how thick your fish. And then you wash in the ice cold water. You use the ice and the water, and then you wash properly there, and then you drain before you clean pin. Put in the fridge like 2 hours, 3 hours to release the water, and then clean pin. If you have silo, the blast freezer is fine, but no freezer directly. Oh, thank you guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.